Hello, this is Ronald Bourgeois, and you're watching SkilletSkills.com. Something else that you'll slice a lot of bok choy, baby bok choy. Most of you have never even heard of it, but it's sort of like I just think of it as a cross between a Chinese celery and I really don't know what it almost it's a mild, wide celery look to it, but not taste. So you cut the end off. And then you sort of want to take any of the leaves that are kind of messed up here. And then just go on a lengthwise cut. Bok choy. And that's about it. That's what it looks like. They're kind of in big chunks like this. You could leave that one in. But again, take the stem off. Don't go up too high because you'll ruin the way it holds together. So it ends up looking like this. All you need is one package for a chicken and baby bok choy dish. You can make them smaller by cutting the ends here, but I like to sort of leave them a little big. I don't want that one. No pizzazz to that one at all. So I stayed real close so that I get the about like that. Be good. Took a little too much hair cut off of that one, but that's it. Bok choy. Share a little slicing technique with pancetta. Sometimes you're having to slice this up, and once I needed bacon bits, didn't find any, and had some of this around, so it's actually a little better. You have a rolling technique. You can use this with parsley or pancetta. I learned this when I was younger. Like you would roll a quote cigarette. Just like that. And you same thing with parsley or basil. It rolls up thick like that and seals. And then you just chop like this. This stuff is very sticky. It's got a lot of moisture in it. So really be careful with the knife because it doesn't slide away like you think it would. Not the world's easiest thing to chop, so what you end up with on that roll is about all you're going to get. So we'll do that twice. Make these rolled up real tight. Real hard to draw. So I'll try it this way this time. One hard. There we go. A bit of pancetta.